We want to continue with the laws of indices we discussed in my last video. Now, one of the laws of indices also states when a number is raised to a power, for instance, a is raised to power of x, then this power is now also raised to power of y. The law states that what you need to do is to multiply the two powers. So x times y. So it is equal to a raised to power x times y, and that is a raised to power xy. For instance, if 2 is raised to power of 3 and this 3 is raised to power of 2, then the law states that what you are going to do is to write 2 then raised to power of the product of these two powers, 3 times 2, and that is 2 raised to power of 6. Then another law states this: any number, any letter, anything raised to power of 0 in mathematics is equal to 1. For instance, if you have 100 raised to power of 0, the answer is 1. 5 raised to power of 0, the answer is 1. 1 million raised to power of 0, the answer is 1. So that is one of the laws. Then another law states this: when a number is raised to a fraction, this is a number, then this power now is a fraction. Then the law states that this is equal to, we are going to enclose this number in a root a. But what are we going to call this root? Is it going to be square root or cube root or fourth root or fifth root and so on? That will be determined by the denominator. Whatever the denominator is will tell us the type of root it is rather. So the denominator here is y, so the root is white root. Then we are going to raise the answer to the power of whatever the numerator is. What is the numerator here? That is x. So this is one of the laws. Now let's be practical. Assuming 8 is raised to power of 2 over 3, the law states that we are going to enclose this 8 in a root. Then this denominator is 3, then that means this root is cube root. Then we are going to raise the whole answer to power of this numerator is 2 raised to power 2. Now, what is the cube root of 8? That means what number can we multiply by itself 3 times so as to get 8? And that number is 2. So 2 raised to power of 2, then the answer is equal to 4. Then another law states this. Assuming the bases are not the same, but the powers are the same. Let's look at this number. A is raised to power of y, then times b is raised to power of y. If you look at these numbers, they are not the same, but their powers are the same. The law states that we are going to just multiply the numbers, and that is going to be a times b. Then the answer is going to be raised to power of y, one of the powers. Now, let's drive it home. Assuming we have 3 raised to power 2, then times 5 raised to power 2. The numbers are not the same, but their powers are the same. So the law states that we are going to just multiply the numbers. 3 times 5, then we raise it to power of 2. And that is equal to 15 raised to power of 2. That is 15 times 15, 225. Thanks so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.